ஆஃப் ஆயிடுது.
ஆமாம்,
ஒன்றும் அவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயம் இல்லை.
ஆ
Off where you want to touch the body, automatic engine will be off. So this is the concept of trolley, engine powered trolley, 75cc engine, scooty wheel, chain sprocket, petrol tank. This is the steering mechanism. So this is the steering mechanism. So you want to turn the right side. So this is the removable cable. So you can carry the load of 50 to 100 kg weight. So we are having a spurger mechanism to change the direction to front side rotation, 5-inch diameter spurger. We are having a brake, drum brake system. This is the brake lever. Then this is the accelerator. This is the kicker for starting. This is the spark plug connection. This is the off. The frame all are made up of mild steel frame. So this is the concept of engine powered trolley, material handling trolley. Engine drive trolley for load carrying purpose. The engine is 75cc, 2-stroke petrol engine. So you want to mix the petrol with the oil. With petrol and you mix the oil to the petrol. The TV is equal super. Chain sprocket only super. Then we are having a spurger mechanism. We are having a spurger mechanism, 5-inch diameter. Wheel is scooty wheel with drum brake system. This is the brake disc, then this is the accelerator, then this is the chair, this is the steering mechanism. We are having the steering mechanism. So go to on the petrol. And you want to start.